The elves did very well yesterday, Santa. So, what would you like me to teach them today?
Well, they did very well, but it's taking too long. Could you teach them how to multiply by 2?
What an excellent idea!
Of course. You are doing very well. But now you have to take over. Take the reign, dear. Get it? Reindeer, reindeer. Property. No.
My lovely elves, by the end of the lesson today, you should be able to recognize and use the multiplication and the equal signs correctly. You should also be able to recognize the multiplication facts for the 2 times table and begin to write the correct 2 times multiplication fact to go with a picture. Are you ready? So am I. Let's get started.
As she was preparing lunch today, Mrs. Claus remarked that you are going to need your whiteboard and your marker for today's lesson. I love whiteboards and markers.
Here we have some cherries. If I wanted to count all of these cherries, well, I know that when I want to count a larger group of objects, I can count them in equal groups to make the counting easier. There. Now I can count in 2s to find out how many there are altogether. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Wasn't that much easier? I think so too. This is a multiplication sign. Multiplication is a quick way of adding equal groups together. The multiplication sign means groups of. Each group must be the same, so you are adding equal groups. When you are saying this sign, you can say times or multiplied by. So, it's time to use our multiplication sign. There. Here we have 1 cake with 2 cherries on it. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 2 means that I have 1 group of 2. 1 cake, 2 cherries, meaning 2 cherries all together. There. Now I have 2 cakes. Each cake still has 2 cherries. So, 2 cakes with 2 cherries each gives us 4 cherries altogether. 2 times 2 is 4. Or 2 groups of 2 is 4. 2 groups of 2 gives us 4 cherries. Now, how many cakes do we have? That's right. Now we have 3 cakes. Now we have 3 cakes with 2 cherries each. So, how many cherries do we have all together? 2, 4, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 groups of 2 is 6. Here we go. Cakes with 2 cherries each. Now, what sum are you going to write to show what's happening here? That's right. 4 times 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. You are such clever elves. Are you ready for the next one? Here we go. That's right. 5 cakes with 2 cherries each. Write the sum that goes with this picture. 5 times 2. 5 groups of 2. Remember, the multiplication sign means groups of. 5 groups of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's right. 5 times 2 equals 10. Very, very good. Well done!
Very well done! Keep up the hard work!